One sound idea is all that you need to achieve success.
The successful person places more attention on doing the right thing rather than doing things right.
Perseverance is a great element of success.
Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get.
Failures do what is tension relieving, while winners do what is goal achieving.
Anything in life worth having is worth working for.
You will never find time for anything. You must make it.
There's no one giant step that does it. It's a lot of little steps.
What the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve.